Welcome back guys, you join us at Chambers in Belgium. We're just about to push an attack on the abandoned manor in hopes of getting our hands on the missing artefacts. The artefacts are in possession of the enemy team's general, but we're teamed up with the perfect airsoft assassin for the job, Kicking Mustang. All we have to do is identify and eliminate the general, then take what's ours.
Come on, Joe.
Take your fire here. Okay, we're close. We're halfway.
Nice.
We're halfway and half our fire's down.
Yeah. Do you see anything back there, Joe? No. You still with us, Cam?
Yeah.
You ready? Oh. No time like to.
With the rain deciding to fall down heavily,
right.
we need to make a move on the building fast.
Oi, boys.
As Joe was about to say,
Listen up a minute.
there's no time like the present.
Behind the flowered concrete garden area, if you look wide, left side of the building, there's a guy sat in there camping. It's like a swimming pool area.
Yeah, but if we push into the corner, surely we're past that. See what I'm on about?
Yeah, I know what you mean. The actual corner of the building. Yeah, and you ready?
Yeah.
Jack, we're going.
I can't see shit, boys.
You fucking.
You alright?
Oh!
I did the same.
We made it to the perimeter. Mustang takes position up top. We plan on breaching the basement.
That goes down. Two down. Right, corner clear. Watch that doorway. Watch that fucking door.
Yeah. Come. Joe, is that clear?
Blue.
To our surprise, Mustang's still up here, still alive and kicking. And it looks like he's caught wind of the enemy's general. Using his map knowledge, we decide to avoid the potential exit campers.
Fuck it. Okay.
And now we observe Kicking Mustang in his natural habitat.
I'm almost out of ammo. I need a drum mag. Can you get my drum mag out of my backpack? Let's fucking do this. That's good, mate. Thanks. Okay, cover me. Boys, I got it.
As simple as that. General eliminated, objective secured. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching.
Objective!